These guys them here. Right now we're there on a bridge. I can't state my location because due to circumstance I don't know. But we're there far beyond we boundary. What's there? Bottom side. And there's the guys them. Right now we got a port the one up the tank there low. We got this guy, the guys them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One there's so many bush down. You can have to get some bait for catch fish. And this is chef. He's easy lead the porter very well, but he's the chef for me.
They don't know we cooking gas and so done. So we got bubble stove.
I it. Right now we bossing the regular thing, chow mein, aka string bun. We got some fancy rice the next month cooking it too. Nice time is it. But you don't know we ramping. Right now we heading back home. Not really home. Hey, we ain't home, man. No. But we ramping though. This bridge I gonna show you all of our next video. I think I got a video here on YouTube. Yeah, I could see. Check it. Yeah. When I passing on a bridge high. Well, this is same bridge. Water there. Real high right now because it's rainy season. I got a video right here on YouTube with this same truck on this same pathway there, the driveway there. Excavator is cross over here, but right now the creek water high, no machine can pass, but truck alone could cross in the bridge. Well, the same bridge I got a video on YouTube of being crossed from the direction coming this side when I went till the bottom down there, but that's when water went low. But you don't know, nice time is it. I got couple more shoot down video for y'all. We're shooting down them hill and thing. You're gonna get it in the future, you don't know. Bull, big driver.